Hey, it's Angeline here. I'm back with another scrappy video with Nudity Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own scene using some Tim Holtz stencils. So first I've already stamped and colored this cute kit by Angie Blom called Joy and Blessings, a card base, and also the Tim Holtz stencils, which is the mini stencil set 21 here, and I'm grabbing two of it. I'm starting off with the birchwood stencil here, and of course my favorites, Distressed Oxide inks by Tim Holtz as well, the ice spruce and weathered wood. And I'm also grabbing my makeup blending brush to just blend everything in together. So I'm starting off with the weathered wood here, which is the lighter gray. I'm just inking up the stencil. And of course I'm adding some shadows here using the ice spruce, which is the darker shade of gray, and just adding it right at the bottom of my card. Then I'm also grabbing the spun sugar here just to add right at the top of the card so that everything does not look too gray and glum, because this is a holiday card after all. So I'm gonna repeat this for the next half of my card. I'm just kind of figuring out where to put my stencil, and I'm just gonna repeat the process, starting off with the lightest gray and then the next two colors. Next, I'm grabbing the Christmas tree stencil here, and I'm grabbing two shades of the Distressed Oxide inks, which is the Evergreen Bowl and also the Pine Needles here. I'm starting off with the lighter green and just shading the entire tree up. What's great about Distressed Oxide inks is it is highly pigmented and kind of opaque, so you can actually cover up the background with a darker shade of ink. Then I wanted to add some snow to my trees, so I'm putting back the stencil and grabbing some Gina Glitz glitter gel here in white and my palette knife to just put it right on top of the tree. So here is the close-up of my finished card. I love how the added glitter to my card makes it look so shiny and sparkly. So I hope you like this technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!